Hey everyone, if you are looking for a super fun vehicle, then you'll want to check out this 2018 Fiat 500X Pop. It is just incredible, practically brand new. You have an amazing media center and tons more, so let's get into it. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your Fiat badge right there in the middle with some chrome trim, and then you have your headlamps, fog lamps. They look amazing in your front end there. This has a 2.4 liter inline-4 multi-air engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels in that two-tone design. Then looking at your side mirrors, you have your indicator lights on them, and they are power adjustable, and you also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, which I just absolutely love, you have your leather part at the top here with your 500 badge there, and then the rest is cloth. Super comfortable seats. I love the white tubular stitching on the side. It's just incredible. They look really striking. And then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. Then looking over at your touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also have your media options, so if you want to connect to your own device, you can right there. Or you can also connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages on this page. Then Uconnect has other apps you can utilize on here, your compass, everything. These are your specific audio settings for your vehicle, and then you have your general settings for everything else throughout. It also has your trip information as well right there. So you have a backup camera, so you can see easily behind your vehicle. You have those guidelines to help you as well back out of spots, although you won't have much trouble with this vehicle because it's on the smaller side. And then you have your traction control, hazards, and your sensing system right there with your climate controls below that, your USB ports, aux port, and you have a 12 volt down below. This is an automatic. You have two cup holders there, and then looking into your center console, you have plenty of space and a USB port. So now that we've looked at the front seat, let's go look at the back. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You can also fold these seats down, so if you want to have some additional space in your trunk, you can just fold them down really easily. You have your lip spoiler in the back windshield wiper, your LED tail lamps, and your rear sensing system, so that will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. You also have remote start on your key fob there. Now let's take a look into the trunk, which is super spacious. Lots of room back here, especially with that folded down, but even with it folded up, there's still lots of room. So overall, super fun vehicle. I just love it. It has under 100 miles on it, so again, practically brand new. And super fun design, completely inside and out, looks really modern. And if you want to see it or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.